Hello traders, I hope you see me well, hear me well, sorry. And we're starting our today briefing. Just a moment. On the way, existing home sales, just right now, you can see this news on the investing.com. And let's start our briefing. As you know, the BTC is showing the new hope for the growth, but the sound growth needs getting rid of speculative elements. What I mean that for the further reliable but not speculative growth, we need a correction. We need a correction, and whether it be just right now, according to such scenario, or after the breakout of this level, it doesn't matter. There are two main scenarios, the first one and the second one. And further long movement will bring us very good long setups on altcoins. As you know, we usually award it with good movements. For example, if BTC skyrockets by 5%, altcoins show 10, 15%, I mean several times much more. However, the correction possibility could be aggravated by the recent US agenda on fighting the criminal and shadow crypto activities, while Genesis, as you know, the news about Genesis has announced its bankruptcy. But this news wasn't faced by drastic fall, like in case with FTX, because it wasn't such a surprise. Nevertheless, let's wait and see what we can trade today. We will be considering each altcoin from two scenarios from the BTC. The first one, GMT, is quite interesting situation because I see first I'm waiting for the breakout, for the short breakout in case of BTC correction, or in case that BTC still remains in this range and doesn't disturb the movements on different altcoins. So I see the correction to this level. That it will be the breakout. As you see, it may be small liquidity grab, then breakout of this level till this market profile level. This market profile level is interesting because from this market profile level, previous break of structure was initiated, and this, as you see, maximum volume within this range is very important, because this maximum volume is always being protected at any price, and in this case I think it will be the same. So we can work out two scenarios. The first, short scenario, when the breakout occurs, please be aware, but the instrument still lacks some volumes, but the volumes could sharpen for long, and we should do it by by considering and analyzing order books. The pullback we will catch from this point. What's next? Ethereum. We missed this situation. However, it was quite short, very greedy breakout. I would say false breakout, very, very small. However, as far as I should as I really prefer entering the breakouts on the activity. I think the activity started somewhere here, and it could bring us about 0.5%, but I think the continuation of this breakout is hardly could be named the breakout. It's like an exit from this zone, exit from this level, and I don't recommend to participate in continuation of this movement because we lack power, we lack participants and volumes here, and it's quite dangerous. The activity is too low for Ethereum to continue this growth. In fact, it could continue the growth, it could continue this movement, but it's dangerous. We should adhere to the risk management. XRP, I'm waiting here the breakout of this slope. Sorry, just a moment. So we are waiting the breakout of this slope, and we should be aware of, we should keep an eye on the activity, because here we have the really quite large pool of limit orders of stop losses, sorry, here. This is the so-called triangle, so-called pool of limit orders of stop losses, sorry. And I call this the pool of liquidity, because all the participants shorting from here, they see this range, and they are moving their stop losses after the price, and we can break this structure by executing all these stop losses. But frankly speaking, I think the potential wouldn't be very great, maybe till 1.5% will be maximum in case of the break. Please place this situation on your working space and keep in mind. People, quite obvious situation. There are many touches. The volumes are still very low, but we are waiting the release of all the news for today, and maybe after the release of all news, the activity, the whole activity of the market will increase, and the capital finally enter people USDT as well, perpetual futures, I mean. We just wait the approach to this level, and if there are 3-5 times higher volumes, I mean volumes, total volumes, it will be reasonable to take small breakout. If no, we miss this situation. KAVA USDT, another one, depending on the scenarios on the BTC. I think if it comes to the upper side of this consolidation, I think it would be reasonable to break, to catch the break of this slope, as well as I showed you the same principle with the slope of breakout of the slope on the KAVA. And in case of drastic downfall, we'll be catching the breakout of this horizontal level. Watch the BTC and watch the activity. Ethereum is already set. Waves. Another one situation that is selected by me only to use in case of the second scenario. If we fall down, if the BTC is going to start the correction, we will have the breakout from this structure going right now to the level 1.88. It's quite strong level. And another strong level is 2.0. The aim was to break this level in case of the worst scenario, and the most important breakout was will be of this level. First touch, the second touch, the higher than average volumes were on each touch, as you see, and I think the next will be the same. And finally, AVAX. As well, quite interesting situation. That was a historically quite strong level, kind of mirror level, and if you break it, as you see, the price is closing to this level from downside, and I hope that in a 5 minutes time frame it really looks breakable, tradable, to have the breakout of this level 1630. It could be just right now. If you are watching, please be ready. Open this instrument, and it's not all. I think that if you break this structure, if you break this level, mirror level, and finally the instrument is about to consolidate above this level, and there will be the first, in case there is first scenario, I think there will be probably the continuation of long movement and refreshing the previous highs, and there will be the new consolidation range, as you see. New consolidation range in this diapason. So please watch all the instruments that we were talking about. The Ethereum, I would probably miss this because the breakout already happened. It was very small, but I think the Ethereum, on the Ethereum is possible to make very admirable profits using correctly using leverages. Please adhere to your risk management. But finally, I would miss this situation. Other setups are quite relevant, but please be sure always keep an eye on the news, and I wish you good luck. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Trade with profit.